Well, hi, and welcome to Coffee with Chris. It is Friday, February 28th. We are the Front Porch, located in downtown Pennington, New Jersey, 24 South Main Street. We're very easy to work with. You can come see us. You can work with us over the phone. We'll do anything you want us to do. We can be your personal shopper. So let us just help you make your life a little bit easier. And you know what? We love working with you. So just remember our numbers. Store phone, 609-737-0071. Store cell, 609-902-9200. Our email is sales@thefrontporchnj.com. And our website, where we do have some things, thefrontporchnj.com. So one of our very good customers said, you really should stress that you can be a personal shopper. Pick something you want to get. Give us a budget. Let us grab things around the shop. Take pictures for you. If you don't want to come in and you want us to ship it, no problem, we'll do it. And then that's another thing, another good customer didn't know we ship. We ship all over the country. So let us do the work for you. Life just seems to be getting crazier and crazier and busier and not enough hours in the day. So before I begin, I just need to do a major shout out to dear Emily Weber, our account executive from Magnetic Me. You are amazing. We love you. We love your brand. And we just thank you for being with us. And I also need to do a shout out to all of our wonderful customers that joined us. We couldn't have a fun event. We didn't have you. And it really was a lot of fun. And you'll be hearing about more. We've got 2 more events scheduled and are trying to think of other fun things that we can do. We get to have the reputation here of Cheers, where everybody knows your name. Okay, so I thought it only appropriate that I stand in the back since Magnetic Me is right behind me. We'll special order for you once again. The majority of this is on our website. We can ship it anywhere for you. And for those of you that came last night, you know exactly what we're talking about. And Magnetic Me is that wonderful little product that has those little magnets that everyone loves. So instead of having those little snaps at 3 o'clock in the morning, we have little magnets. And on a lot of their little onesies, they have something really super cute on the bottom of the foot. Or in many cases, they'll put a little ruffle on the butt. So it always looks really, really, as our Lynn would say, super cute. Okay. Then you can also see our jelly cat. And right now, we are very happy that we have the soccer ball, football, basketball, tennis ball, and last but not least, the golf ball. So we have them all right now. Those are on our website, but as we have said, they are introducing new products every month this year. We've done January, we've done February, we're about to roll into March. We are not putting them up on our website. You'll see them on Coffee with Chris, you'll see them on social media, you'll see them in email blasts. And we really are hoping, and really what we want to do is sell them locally, because that's just what we like to do. Shop local, buy local, right? Okay. So I am not sure that I had the opportunity to show you this new lovey that we got in. I've already had to reorder this little one. I so wish that they did it in blue. This is adorable. And look, even has a great tail on the back. And our little Debbie from Fancy Threads, she can very easily put a baby's name on there. And it just looks adorable. Then another, unfortunately, they didn't do a book with this, but Jellycat actually has If I Were a Bunny book that could be, let me see if I can grab that for you. You could possibly pair it with something like that, and that's got a super cute tail on the back. So it doesn't have to, these days, it doesn't have to match. We wish it did, but it doesn't. So we definitely have other bunny books that you could put with this. And then we have this adorable fawn, which has gotten to be very popular. Once again, put the baby's name on there. And in this case, they do have the great soft book to pair with it. And then this is another one that we just really love. And I think this is appropriate for a boy or a girl. And this is fairly new. This is the giraffe. And love it again that they have a book to pair with it. These items, except for the bunny book, are on our website. All right, so another favorite time of the year for me is St. Patrick's Day, the luck of the Irish. Those of you that know me know that that is the day I quit corporate America. Let me just grab my cup. I made the decision, wasn't going to do that anymore. I was going to pursue the purchase of the front porch. So, as they say, everyone is Irish on St. Paddy's Day. So I just want to show you a few items. First of all, Mariposa, woo, brought back the napkin box. I'm so happy to see this. Jonathan, right away when it came out, he goes, gotta let you know, they brought back the napkin box. Not so crazy about the napkin. We do have other napkins coming in. I can't tell you the hunt that we did for a good St. Patrick's Day napkin, but we have one, and it might actually be out there in the warehouse. You have the shamrock, and we also have the shamrock that you can buy by itself if you already have the napkin box. A lot of you buy those as gifts, but you don't have them for yourself. It's a great item just to have. Put it in the kitchen. Put it on your coffee table. They're just lots of fun to switch them out with each season. All right, then let me just show you a few other things. We have an adorable little pillow. And I thought I had grabbed, yes I did. Let me show you this. 2 sizes. These are just great pillows, just a little accessory for somewhere in your home. Always take a little bit of luck. And then we have some great towels. Let me just show you these. This one, actually, this sold out in like a day. So we turned around and we reordered 18 of them. They are selling like crazy. Everybody really liked. All right, so let me just show you a few other fabulous St. Patrick's Day things, because there's nothing like the luck of the Irish. As you know, we have Swig now, and we ended up getting 2 of their most popular styles. I think I haven't gotten one of these yet. Let me just show you the other, which of course this is the number 1. But I think one of these is going to have to come home with me. I'm not sure which one, but these are great. And the other item that we were happy we found are coasters. And we also have these little charms of friendship, the Celtic knot, which is just adorable, just a little something to throw into an envelope and send to someone. Nothing like a little bit of friendship. We have the koozie from Smathers and Branson, always popular, and the Tervis tumbler with the luck of the Irish on it also, and a key fob. A lot of you have already gotten these, the wonderful scarf that we hunted for. Of course, I have one of these. We don't have many left, maybe like a half a dozen of them. So if you haven't gotten your scarf, please remember it. And of course, we also have those fabulous bright green sweaters. They call it True Green in our Made in America sweater company. And I will remind you about this because I think a lot of you forget we have them. Nora Fleming. We have some of them down here and then a lot of choices upstairs on the 2nd floor. Once again, if you do not want to go upstairs, we can always help you. And last but not least, our Kathy has been working hard on her greeting cards. And we have wonderful selection of St. Patrick's Day. And she's already put out a selection of Easter. Just a reminder, our greeting cards we have the greeting card club. Buy 10, get 1 for free for $4 or less. So I think that's it for now. I think we're ready to have a TGIF and have a wonderful weekend. Once again, thank you for joining us last night. It was fun. Emily, Magnetic Me, shout out to you. So everyone, be safe, have fun, and we will see you on the next Coffee with Chris on Wednesday.